Whoa, friends, check it out. There are many toys here. The first one, there is, what is it? Oh, dinosaur.
Raptor is a highly intelligent predator, dangerous alone and true.
Oh, what kind dinosaur is it? Oh, amazing, friends. This is dinosaur. Oh, this is so cool. Oh, amazing, friends. And check it out. I have, what is it? Oh, Spider-Man mask.
Started a mutation that's going to mutate him further. And at first this means that he grows 4 extra arms.
Oh, amazing, friends. This is Spider-Man mask. The color of Spider-Man mask is red. Oh, this is awesome. I do like Spider-Man. Alright, let's put this Spider-Man mask down. And then I have, oh, this is so cute. I have a cat. Oh, this is cute cat. Check it out. Oh, the cat is full color. Oh, amazing, friends. I do like a cat. Oh, amazing. All right. And here I have a dog.
Hey everyone, it's Cassie from Gone Grooming, and today we're going to be grooming a Portuguese water dog.
Oh, amazing, friends. This is a dog. The color of dog is orange and white. Oh, this is cute dog. Check it out. Oh, friends, amazing. And here I have turtle.
Bill sea turtle Eretmochilis imbricata is a critically endangered sea turtle belonging to the family Chelon.
Oh, this is cute turtle, friends. Oh, amazing. This is awesome, cute. Alright, and here I have dinosaur again. Oh, amazing, friends. The color of dinosaur is yellow. Oh, amazing. I do like dinosaur. This is cute dinosaur. It has long neck. Alright, friends. And the last one I have, oh, this is a snake. Oh, amazing, friends. This is black snake. This is dangerous animal. Oh, it has poison. It harmful and danger. Oh, amazing, friends.